fun watching it as we are presenting. Thank you so much.
Morning assembly. Everybody comes to the assembly hall. Everybody in the assembly hall except Dian. What is Dian doing? I think the class leader noticed that Dian is not coming to the assembly. I think one of you was missing in today's assembly. Yes, madam. It was Dian. He stayed back in the classroom and did not attend the assembly. Dian, what is happening? You know